Your Roku TV suddenly stops playing sound through the TV speakers and stays stuck in headphone mode even when no headphones are connected. Sometimes the headphone icon remains on the screen permanently, while other times the volume controls behave strangely or stay muted. This issue is usually caused by remote private listening mode, stuck headphone jack detection, Bluetooth audio conflicts, or temporary software glitches instead of damaged TV speakers. In many situations, the TV mistakenly believes headphones are still connected and keeps speaker audio disabled. Before assuming the sound system has failed completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal TV speaker audio. 1. Restart the Roku TV completely using the power menu or unplug method. 2. Disconnect any wired headphones or Bluetooth audio devices currently paired. 3. Open Roku audio settings and disable private listening mode if enabled. 4. Remove the batteries from the Roku remote briefly before reconnecting them. 5. Check the TV headphone port carefully for dust or stuck debris inside. 6. Update the Roku TV software to the latest available version. 7. Test the TV speakers again after restarting the system completely.